Hello and welcome. In this session we are going to look at how to do a 301 redirect using htaccess file. Htaccess file is a system hidden file used to control directory level controls. It is actually a subset of httpd config file, and that is a server level control file. You can have more than one htaccess file. Too many htaccess files in different directories can affect your performance. Usually it is kept under the root folder of your site. The dot part is what makes the file hidden. According to Google's Webmaster Center blog, it says you should be using 301 redirect for permanently redirecting your old site to your new site. The HTTP 301 permanent redirection, the code is looks fairly complicated, but we will look into that. To create an htaccess file, it's very simple. You just open up a notepad and save your file and save it normally under your root folder, and just type .htaccess and change this save file type to all types and just save it. But at the moment I have the htaccess already, so I'm not going to save it here. So that's how you do it. I cancel out of here. So let's look at the 301 redirect with htaccess. See, there's only a couple of lines of code, and let's look at that. The first line is options plus follow symbolic links. Following symbolic link is an Apache server directory, and it is a security measure. What it does is the physical location of the actual site files is very different to what you see on the URL. So it is a security measure. If your site is using a shared hosting, then better use what's called symbolic links if wanna match. So that's the expression you should use. Otherwise, the normal follow symbolic links should be fine. Right. For the symbolic links to work, you need to switch on the mode rewrite. Rewrite module is an Apache module installed in Linux by default. What it does is it takes out the browser submitted URL and translate it to the way you want and deliver the content to the browser. Right? That is what the mode rewrite will do. So you have to switch that on. This is a simple example, 301 redirect. So you write redirect 301, then the relative path and the new path. Say for example here, redirect 301, then slash. That slash means that is the root folder to the new domain name. Okay. And if it is for a temporary redirect, you just use 302. But the power of the redirection comes through what's called through regular expressions. If you know regular expression and know how to use it, you can manipulate your URL in many different ways. You can create fancy URLs, and you can shorten the URL and all that. Right? So here there are two things you need to write: rewrite condition and rewrite rule. Here say in these two lines I wrote the old site name with and without, and the rewrite rule is whatever there is some expression here, this is called regular expression, and the new site name slash whatever it is resolved here goes on that $1. Okay, let's look at that. The caret symbol is the starting point, and in bracket there is a dot. Dot means any character but one, and the star symbol is any number of characters, and dollar means that's the end of the condition. So what this rewrite rule does is it replaces the old domain name with the new domain name. Whatever comes after the old domain name, it put under the new domain name. That is what the $1 means. That $1 is a replacement of what is resolved in here. L means this is the what's called the last rule on the run, and R means the redirection is 301 and not case sensitive. The Apache documentation site gives a brief overview of regular expression. So these are the different characters and its meaning. If you learn that, you can really do some fancy URL manipulation with this, such as pretty URLs and SEO friendly URLs and so on. So let's do a test in here. This is a sample site. I'm going to do a htaccess modification to change the redirection. So I log into the site using my FTP. This is my site and this is my local folder. So I bring in the htaccess file over here and open it. My site is a Drupal site, and this htaccess file is created automatically when you install Drupal or update Drupal core. And so what we are going to look at is these two things. See, follow symbolic links, that is on, and also rewrite engine on. So we can add a couple of lines under here for redirection. Let's say a 302 redirection, a temporary one. This hash means it's a command line. So redirect 302/index.php. You don't even need that index.php, just a slash will do even. And to say Google. So what I'm saying is just anybody coming to my site or redirect to Google. After saving, you just move that to your site. You want an override? Yes, I can do that. If you have a lot of custom code on your htaccess file, it is better to do a backup of the htaccess file before you do a core update. Okay, let's test this. So we have updated the htaccess file on this web server. Now if I refresh this page, it should go to Google. Let's see. Refresh. There we are. It goes to Google. And if you type drupalsite.me, there we go. So that is already redirected. Obviously this is a test. I want to change it back. So go back to your htaccess and take this code out. Save. Move it to the server again. The new file, override me. So if I type it now, Drupal site me, it should go back to Drupal site me, but it is not going. Why? Because so you have to clear the cache. I'm using Google Chrome, so go there and more tools, clear browsing data, then clear the past. Okay, clear browser data. Now if I type Drupal site me, enter, it should take me to my site. There we go. So that's how you do the 301 redirect using htaccess. Very good. Thank you for watching. Hello, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel and share it with friends. Thank you.